Introducing the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Treat yourself to the splendor of a premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.